Hello, welcome to Kids Cooking with Zoe. As you can see, I'm drinking some tea here. It's Zoe here, and yes, I'm making drop biscuits today, and you're invited to a official tea party. Yes, it's very good. There really wasn't tea in my cup, okay? So, anyways, this week I've been reading Anne of Green Gables. Well, basically Anne of the Island. So yes, I've been reading that, and it inspired me to have a tea party because back then, back in that day, they had like tea parties every hour of the day, every single hour. So that inspired me to make drop biscuits today for a tea party, and I'll give you a sneak peek of tomorrow's or the Thursday's episode. Here's the ingredients you need. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350. Then we're gonna add our dry ingredients to a large bowl. Next, we're gonna put the wet ingredients in a medium bowl. Then we're gonna add our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients a third at a time. And then we're gonna mix it all together. Make sure to stay till the end of this episode because we have a special invite just for you. Now we're gonna line a cookie sheet with parchment paper, which I've already done, and then use a tablespoon of dough and plop it on the sheet to make 2-inch biscuits. Got 18, so we needed another cookie sheet. So if you have 18, please use another cookie sheet. And they don't need to look perfect because, they're drop biscuits. So yeah. Which reminds me of our new dance, the drop. And don't forget, set a 10 to 12 minute timer. I set set a 10-minute timer. Biscuits are done. Yay! You want to bake them till they're slightly golden at the top, so let's see how they look. Okay. I think they're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and the biscuits are done. And they smell amazing and look amazing. So I can't wait to try them. But that's Thursday on the official tea party. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe, and bye. Oh, I just remembered. I told you to stick around to the end because I had a special invitation for you. You were invited to a Kids Cooking with Zoe summer cooking camp in July. And you sign up here and it's free. Come on, what are you waiting for? Do it. Do it right now.